for affiliates trying to get into this space, like especially health and VSLs. Now, even though you can start with a lower budget on Facebook, for example, if you would be in touch and, I don't know, build a relationship with your account manager or affiliate manager first, is there a way they can minimize your risk to run something that doesn't work? For example, if I tell them I want to run Facebook ads and I'm interested in health, and now you have 100 offers, do I just pick one randomly, or is it better to ask them first and ask them what their advice is, basically?
So I think that's like the most asked question by our affiliates is what's hot right now? What's working?
What's working?
So no, absolutely 100%. Always ask your AM what's working.
Mm-hmm.
Tell your AM, hey, I have Facebook traffic. I have an email list. I run on native. I run on YouTube. What's doing well there? Because we, as the network, we see all of our affiliates. We see where they're running. We know where they're running rather.
Mm-hmm.
And we see what offers are working for them. So we can kind of give you recommendations like, hey, this offer definitely doing well on Facebook. I'd recommend trying this, and and these other three as well have shown promise on Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're always honest. We'll tell you, maybe don't test this offer right now. It was doing good last month, not so much this week. I'd actually say run this. Definitely reach out to your AMs for any advice, any questions you need.
Yeah, yeah. And usually there's always like a Telegram group with your affiliate manager, so you can easily chat with them as well.
Yeah, so that's a big thing we do at MaxWeb. Day one, when you get approved and you have an affiliate account, you'll immediately be reached out to by your AM. You'll get an email. You'll get a Teams message now, not Skype anymore.
Yeah.
Teams or Telegram message. We're gonna talk to you. And once you're in touch with your AM, they will go ahead and create a group chat with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 MaxWeb employees.
Wow.
So you have round the clock, basically around the clock, 24/7 service. We're always there to help answer questions and help get you scaling and successful.
That's amazing. Like you don't only have one person to talk to, like you have an entire team to talk to.
Yeah. Well, if your AM takes a vacation, you still have to run ads. You need some other people in the group chat.
It's true.
So we throw a bunch in there.
Or if they're at a conference and like out of office all day long. Yeah, that's true. Good point.
Yeah, exactly.
So do you think I can also ask my affiliate manager, like when I have a landing page and I want to see what I don't want to rip someone else's ad, and I come up with a new angle. Is an affiliate manager also someone that I could send it to and say, hey, Joey, can you look at my landing page? How do you like this story angle, whatever?
Yeah, absolutely. If you're comfortable. Some affiliates don't like sharing their secret sauce, how they're doing it. But yeah, if you wanted critiques on your landing page, you can send it to your AM. They'll probably send it to me on Slack, and then I'll give them my thoughts, and then you'll hear it back. But yeah, absolutely, we're happy to review any landing page. Not only for compliance, but just for the angle, if we think it'll work or not. And take it all with a grain of salt. Some things that I think won't work end up scaling, and some things that I think are the best funnel ever flop. So you really, end of the day, you just got to test.
That's really the biggest surprise, and I wouldn't say ego check that I experienced in affiliate marketing, but it's kind of an ego check. Like sometimes I thought this copywriting is the best thing ever, or the website is so nicely designed. It has to be a huge success. And then you test it and it doesn't convert at all. And sometimes you just use a very ugly landing page and this works much better. And you will only know if you test it. Yeah, that's funny.
100%. You got to test everything. I was looking at a native article the other day, native ads. I was doing a little spying myself just to see what's working on native. I think it's important to do that. And I came across this landing page and I was like, this is awful. Like, how is this the top of foxnews.com?
Wow.
So sometimes the uglier pages do better. I think maybe it's authenticity. Users don't feel like they're being sold. They're just, really reading someone's opinions or something. But yeah, really, you just have to test. That's the answer to figuring out what works.